quadratic trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. So, ito yung mga trinomial, quadratic trinomial na hindi perfect square. So, paano kapag hindi na perfect square? So, main idea, basahin natin. To factor trinomials in the form of x squared plus bx plus c, draw a square with 4 sections. Place the first and the last terms on the first and the last boxes. O, basahin lang. Ito rin yung sinabi sa book. Sa book nyo. Number 2, factor x squared as x. Find the integral whose product is the last term and whose sum is the middle term. Place the factor with the given sum. Bring out the common factor for the remaining part of the grid box. So, para madali na lang, let's give an example. Gamitin natin yung example natin kanina. Ito. Yung mga not perfect square. Sila yon. Ito yung x squared plus 7x plus 12 tsaka x squared plus 5x minus 24. So, subukan natin silang i-factor. First, we have number 1, x squared plus 7x plus 12. Sabi, step 1, draw a square with 4 sections. Square with 4 sections. So, square 4 section. Then place the first term and the last term on the first and the last boxes respectively. So first term natin is si x squared. So x squared. Then last term natin is si 12. Then factor x squared as x. So factor natin si x squared. Edi x tsaka x. Kasi x times x is x squared. And find the integers whose product is the last term and whose sum is the middle term. Dapat daw, number na kapag minultiply mo ang sagot 12, pag pinag-add mo ang sagot 7. So, dapat kapag pinag-multiply mo, so let's say blank number times blank number equals 12 and plus blank number is equal to 7. Anong number yan? So, we can use trial and error para mahanap yung number na yan. So, dapat ang product niya is 12 and yung sum niya is 7. Anong number yung mga yan? So, 12 and 1. 12 and 1, hindi. 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 is 7. So, ayun. 3 and 4. Kasi, so, ito siya. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So, nahanap na natin. So, next step is place the factors. Hinahanap natin na factors 3 and 4 with the given sum in the 2 remaining boxes. So, 2 remaining boxes. So, yung 3 tsaka 4. Then, 4. Ito kasi x times x squared. Ngayon naman, x times 4 is 4x. Then, 3 times x is 3x. Tapos, 3 times 4, ito yon 12. So, ayan na siya. Then, addition, kaya plus to, plus. Anong factor niya? E di ito, x plus 4 times x plus 3. Ito yung factor niya. Ginamit lang natin tong box para ma-visualize natin, para mas madali nyo maintindihan. Pero, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano naman to sagutan ng wala ng box. Ito kasing ginawa sa libro, pinakita ko lang. So, pinaka-idea lang naman kasi nito, dapat mahanap nyo yung dalawang numbers na kapag pinag-add mo, 7, yung middle term, then pinag-multiply mo is yung lalabas last term, which is 12. So, ganito na lang ang ginagawa. Pwede nyo gawin yung nasa libro, pwede rin ganito. So, syempre, pag factor, gawa ka mo ng dalawang grouping symbol. Then, x. Kasi x times x is x squared. Then, isip ka lang. Tignan mo muna yung sign nila. Yung operation, plus, plus. So, alam mo na parehas addition. Then, ang natitira na lang is yung factor ng 12 na ang sum ay 7. So, pwede ka magsalit dito ng 12. Then, ano ba yung mga factor ni 12? 1 and 12. Positive 12 ba? Kung ano sign niya. 1 and 12. Pwede ring 2 and 6. And then 3, 4. Then, try mo i-add. 1 plus 12. 13. Hindi siya yung sagot. 2 plus 6. 8. Hindi siya yung sagot. 3 plus 4. 7. Ito yun. So, 3, 4. Ayun yung factor. Ito lang yung ginawa natin. Next, sagutan natin yung last. X squared plus 5x minus 24. Gawin ulit natin. Kuha tayong dalawang grouping symbol. Then, x squared to. So, x kasi x times x is x squared. Then, nakita natin addition tsaka subtraction. So, ibig sabihin yan ay yung integers natin, isang negative, isang positive. Para makita nyo, negative 24. Ano ba yung factor niyan? Pwedeng negative 1 and 24. Pwedeng negative 6 and 6 of 18, 24. Positive 4. Kasi negative 6 times 4, negative 24. Ano pa? 8 and negative 8 and 3. So isa-isa na. Negative 1 plus 24. Negative 23. Mali. Ito, negative 2. Ito, negative 5. Ayun, baliktad lang pala. So, subukan natin yung 3 and, negative 3 and 8. So, negative 3 and 8. Negative 3 plus 8 equals 5. So, ito yung 5, middle term natin. So, ito yung sagot. Minus 3 plus 8. Minus 3 kasi negative siya. Plus 8 kasi positive siya. Positive yung 8. Tama? Checking. X times x. X squared. X times 8. 8x. Negative 3 times x. Negative 3x. Negative 3 plus times 8 is negative 24. Simplify. X squared plus 5x minus 24. So, tama. So, I suggest to use this method instead of what is discussed in the book, yung may grid box. Pang bata kasi yan. So, note, the sign of the third term will guide you on the sign of the factors. Example, we have x squared plus x minus 12. So, kapag nakakita ka ng ganito, addition and subtraction yung nasa third term niya, ang magiging sagot mo dito is isang positive na integer at isang negative na integer. Kasi positive times negative is negative. So, ganun. Isang positive, isang negative. Kapag ang third term mo is negative. Then, kapag parehas naman silang positive, syempre, automatic na yun. Ang sagot natin is positive integer and positive integer. Dito. So, positive integer and positive integer. Then, kapag naman positive yung nasa dulo, pero negative yung nasa huli, parehas silang negative. Gets? Kapag positive yung nasa unahan, kapag yung last term is negative, ang sagot natin ay isang positive integer at isang negative integer, or vice versa, isang negative na integer din, isang positive. Given na negative yung last term. Kapag ang last term naman natin ay positive, nakadepende dito sa naunang operation. Kapag parehas positive, syempre positive positive. Kapag negative, then positive yung last term, parehas silang negative. So mapapractice nyo naman yan. Kahit hindi nyo naman isipin yan, basta kaya nyo lang gawin to. Ito, yung paghahanap ng factor, trial and error lang, negative 1, 24. Makikita nyo kung anong number o kung anong combination yung dapat. Kung isa bang negative, isang positive. Gaya dito. So, pero maganda rin na alam nyo to. So, take note na lang. Nakadepende sa last term or mag-guide kayo ng last term dun sa sign ng factor nyo. Kapag negative yung last term, ang sagot isang positive, isang negative. Kapag ang last term is parehas ay positive, pwede siyang parehas positive or parehas negative. Depende dun sa naunang operation. So that's all for factoring quadratic trinomials. I hope you learn how to factor them. And that's all. Bye.